Hello everyone, I am Shalini. Today I am going to explain the topic control and coordination. Now let us see what is control and coordination and why is it necessary for a human. Control refers to the ability of an organism to regulate and manage its various psychological processes and responses. It involves monitoring and adjusting the activities of different parts of the body, and coordination is the harmonious functioning of different organs and systems in an organism to achieve the specific purpose. Now, control and coordination are the fundamental processes that ensure an organism's survival and adaptability. These processes involve the nervous system, endocrine system, and other mechanisms that allow the living organism to respond to changes in its environment. Now, let us see about nervous system. The nervous system is the body's communicating system that consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. These nerves are made up of millions of neurons and it helps us to sense and respond to our surroundings. Nerves transmit information as electric signals, and the nervous system is essential for our ability to perceive, process, and react to the world around us. The brain. The brain is the command center of the body, also known as the CPU of a human. It controls the thoughts, emotion, and body function. It is composed of billions of neurons and that transmit the electric signal. It processes the information and stores memories and has the capability of thinking. The brain has four lobes, which is known as frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobe. Now let us move on to the different parts of the brain. The parts of the brain has four. One is forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain has cerebral cortex, which is responsible for the higher brain function, such as thinking, decision making, and voluntary movement. The midbrain is responsible for regulating sensory processes such as vision, hearing, and motor control. Now, let us move on to the function of the midbrain, which consists of cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum controls and coordinates voluntary movements. It helps us to balance and posture and muscle. Pons acts as a bridge connecting different parts of the brain and is involved in sleep, respiration, and transmitting signals. Medulla oblongata regulates the automatic functioning such as heartbeats, breathing, and blood pressure. Now, let us see about neuron, which is the structural and functional unit. The neuron is a specialized cell in the nervous system responsible for transmitting information. It has three main parts: cell body, dendrites, and axon. Here, this is the nucleus, this is the cell body which contains the dendrites, and this is known as the dendrites, and these are the nerve endings which connect with the other dendrites. And these cells are known as schwann cells. Neurons communicate using electrical impulses and chemicals called neurotransmitters, making them as building blocks of a nervous system. Now let us move about endocrine system. The endocrine system is the regulatory system in the body that uses hormones to control various function and maintain balance. And hormones are nothing but the chemical substances that are produced by the endocrine glands, and these are also known as reproductive glands. They help in regulating processes like growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Together with the nervous system, it plays a vital role in controlling functions. Now let us see about the functions of each gland. Pituitary gland is known as the master gland, which controls many other endocrine glands. It controls various functions such as growth, blood pressure, and water balance. Thyroid gland produces hormones like thyroxine, which regulates the metabolism. Adrenal gland is known as fight, flight, and fear gland, and these release hormones that help the body to respond stress and regulate blood pressure. Pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, which regulates the blood sugar. Ovaries in females produce estrogen and progesterone, which control the development of secondary sexual characters and regulate the menstrual cycle. And testes in males produces testosterone, which is responsible for male sexual characteristics and sperm production. Now let us see about coordination in plants. Plants control and coordinate their responses to various mechanisms, including growth towards light, which is known as photosynthesis, and against gravity, known as geophysics, responding to environmental stimuli. They use chemical signals like oxygen, enabling them to adapt to changing conditions and maximizing their chances of survival. Now let us see what is tropism. Tropism is a biological response in which plants react to external stimuli and causing them to grow in a particular direction. Positive tropism is growth towards the stimulus, like phototropism is towards the light, and negative tropism is the growth away from the stimulus, like geotropism against the gravity. Let us see about the plant hormones. There are four types of hormones in plants and they are nothing but chemical substances. One is auxin, which promote the cell elongation or stem elongation, gibberellins, which regulate the stem elongation and seed germination, abscisic acid stops the cell division, and cytokinin helps in rapid cell division. Now let us see about stimulus and response. A stimulus is a detectable change in internal or external environment of an organism that triggers a reaction. For example, a bright light may cause pupils to constrict in the eye in animals, while in plants, a lack of water may lead to closing of stomata to conserve water. Now let us see about reflex arc. Reflex arcs is a neural pathway that controls an involuntary and rapid response to a specific stimulus. It involves sensory neurons carrying information to the spinal cord or the brain, where motor neurons translate signals to effectors, muscles or glands for an immediate and automatic reaction, bypassing conscious thought. Thank you.